in the science lab to deal with a lot of cooperative learning. We have table numbers assigned, and students with each new experience have new lab partners that they will not work with other lab partners until they have worked with everyone else in the class first, trying to mimic a real world working environment. So table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, and then table 6. And then I also have in the classroom sections, areas. So here we're working on compound machines, and the students in period 1 have this area. The students in period 2 have this area. The students in period 3 have this area. The students in period, or I should say in period 6, and then in period 7 they have this area. I use this as the island to distribute materials, and we try to manage with various labs when there's water, again assigning sinks, which we have 3 to work with. So classroom management and materials distribution are organized in a specific way.